Bon appetit! We come to you today live on David Nigel Makeup.
Okay, so apparently for this video, it's obviously going to be a boyfriend. I'm obviously not a boy.
Okay, so today David is a man.
Boyfriend does the girlfriend's makeup, but we're only best friends and cousins and blood. So I guess it's I guess it's best friend does best friend makeup. I don't know. I'm a bit nervous. I'm not gonna lie to you. Do I just start now? Okay.
Alright, and we are going to do the makeup on Nigel today. Okay.
Get out. I'm gonna get whatever this is on you, and it won't be pretty.
We begin. We begin. One moment. I forgot the pepper. Oh, there we go.
Now, it's supposed to be what? I don't know. Clean. It says clean on it. It just says clean. It says it's a CoverGirl Clean Foundation. That's gonna be what it is. You got it. This experiment. Noted, I've never done makeup in my life. Oh, I like that. It's cold. Okay, very trouble. Okay. Come to me, love. Okay. Pounds and pounds of the liquid. I'm kidding. Okay. blush. Open blush. Oh my god, try that off. Okay. Now, aha, we eyebrows. I'm using Ardell. It is a dark brown, mucho coco. Now, when do you go into powders? Yes, I do. You got it. Going out to a strip club. Yes. Well, you did it all the way. Boom, 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 boom. Some sort of blush by CoverGirl. Say that to the Sam and Jeeve. Hello. Look up, please, clients. You got it. It doesn't show up at once. Really, it doesn't show up. That is silly, doesn't it? Okay, so now we rub. Just pat. Line there. You don't want to kiss babies off. Right? Oh! Nothing is happening. The foundation, I still see it. Okay, now. I didn't get it. Yeah, this is not showing up, so it's okay. Boom. No? Okay. There you go. Smile. Beautiful. Okay. We're done with that because it's not showing up. Maybe I should. You want to make it kind of uneven because it adds character. What a difference! Oh my god. This scares me. A couch. Whoa. Who are you, girlfriend? There we go. We're getting somewhere. Okay, so this is Bronzer by Hard Candy. Kitty cat. Okay. Beautiful. No, okay. You see, it opens the eyeballs and it makes them look larger than life. Hello. You know what? You just came from the Jersey Shore. Mascara. Quick. Okay, I know Snooki. I'm loving it at McDonald's. On the Jersey Shore. Okay, wait. Wait, you don't have very frequently. That's okay, we'll do something about that. You want to look like you just came from a tiny bed. All day. Oh, wow. Put on the neck, though. I already did that. Okay, we put those. Okay, so that's, we're done with that now. Right, now for the fun side. Color! I like color. See, we blush on the face. I want to get red. Can you see? Yes. I want something like this. You don't want to use this. You want the dark on your face. That's how I make it darker. This is to show off your cheekbones. You see how pretty? You can go anywhere with this look. Alright, what color? You have blue. Let's do blue. I'm gonna use this. Wait, wait. This is blue and it's turquoise. You got it. Okay, so, what is this? Oh my god, no. I'm transforming before I meet a horse. Ooh, not use brown. Okay, so I'm gonna, this is eyeshadow from Claire's Cover Cheek. Boom. Oh my! Now the darker blue. I'm going for the kitty cat doll crown illusion. What is she? What do I want to do? Brown, black. Oh god. Now you won't see that. You got it. There's brown like that. We're gonna use this brilliant brush. It cost me $5,000. Kiss me, baby. That's a lot. That's okay. Oh my god. You look awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. We're gonna do the big window look. We're going to go all the way up to the other. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're going a little bit below too. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more of that. Yes, right there, just like that. Makeup is a sport. When you're the Olympics, the Paralympics. Whoa. You beat my heart. Oh, beautiful. Oh man, I'm nervous. That looks like an elephant trunk. And that is how you do proper makeup. Okay. Don't touch that. Be okay. Beautiful. Oh, I see. You're going for the smoothie eye. Whoa. Totally worth the time. Do whatever. You know, you gotta pop out. Okay. Don't you guys think that my client is just beautiful? I think my client is just beautiful. My client is my makeup, but she's beautiful. Don't do it again. It's okay. Go on. You done? You feel like P. Diddy? You done? Oh my. Boom. This is my own. And I'm inspired by the hat. Something more pretending to do. Out of the box. Think outside of the triangle.
Now, if you appreciate this look, subscribe. If you don't, subscribe. If you do, subscribe. And, hold on. I'm gonna do a little something. Goodbye. We have a serious discussion right now.